Hey everyone, we're going to be making our non-alcoholic strawberry margarita, also known as the strawberry soup. This is a great option for a guest that doesn't want to drink any alcohol, but still wants that cocktail feel. I'm going to start out by making sure that my glassware is clean and free of any cracks or chips. Then I'm going to rim half of the glass with some salt. To my cocktail shaker, I'm going to add 2 ounces of diced strawberries, a 1/4 ounce of lemon juice, a 1/4 ounce of lime juice, and an ounce of simple syrup. Add in some ice. I'm going to give that a nice shake. Add in some ice to our cocktail glass. We're going to strain. We're going to top it off with a splash of Sprite and a splash of soda. Garnish for this one is going to be half of a strawberry. And then on our non-alcoholic cocktails, you want to make sure you're using the red and white cocktail straws so that this doesn't get confused with an alcoholic beverage in the well. Once we got a straw, we're ready to serve.